Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Redmi K90, OnePlus A6 and Motorola H60 Neo. Let's see this poly video. First compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. Redmi K90 comes with 6.59 inches AMOLED display. The OnePlus A6 comes with 6.83 inches LTPO AMOLED display, and the Motorola H60 Neo comes with 6.36 inches LTPO POLED display. Hardware features. Redmi K90 and OnePlus A6 are powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Motorola H60 Neo comes with MediaTek chipset. When it comes to the camera features, Redmi K90 and Motorola H60 Neo come with 3 rear cameras, and the OnePlus A6 comes with 2 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.